Guys, in this episode, you'll hear 5 stories. The first 2 are shorter ones to get you warmed up, and then we'll dive into some crazy stories that'll make you shake your head. And guys, the last story in this episode just breaks my heart. With that said, I hope you stay for the stories today, and do hit that subscribe button for future stories. Let's dive in. So, I was in the grocery store last night, and the lady in line in front of me was on her phone, while the high school girl cashier was ringing her up. She said, $15.33, please. The woman handed her some money and said, don't worry about the change, while still on the phone and walked out. The cashier looked confused, and I was like, what's up? She said, her bill was $15.33, but she only gave me $15 and told me to keep the change. She's on the phone though, so I really don't know what to do. I was like, what? You want me to go get her? The girl clearly was not looking forward to confrontation, but I was. I ran out and told the lady that she just stiffed the kid 33 cents. The lady was like, hold on a second. There's a guy here ranting and raving about something. What do you want? I said, you didn't pay your whole bill. You still owe the store 33 cents. She took out her purse and said, 33 cents? Are you kidding me? And started rummaging through her purse. She held out 2 quarters towards me, and I said, do I look like the cashier? She then made a huge grunt and stomped back in and paid, but made a big show of saying, 33 cents? Really? I'm here like 3 times a week, and you can't let 33 cents go? The poor girl was embarrassed, but grateful. Nobody clapped or gave me $100, but I still felt like Batman. Guys, I'm gonna try that out sometime. I do need a new laptop. You think it'll work? Sir, you only gave me $20 for the $700 laptop. What? I'm here 4 times a year shopping for electronics, and you people can't seem to let $680 go? The nerve of you. I'm kidding, that probably will not work. I'm speaking down. This happened a few days ago, but I'm still shaking my head at this woman and her family. They spent about 10 minutes in the store with no problems. I got her all rung up and ready to go, and she writes a check. Still no problems. I ask for ID to verify the check, which is store policy. And then, she looks at the pen she's holding onto and says, since I just spent over $100 here, I'm entitled to take this pen. Now, this pen is the best pen we've had for writing on thermal receipt paper. Everyone knows that when you get a pen like this, you'll never have any problem with it and not writing at all. I'm looking at her and I told her that you cannot have that pen. We do have free ones that you can take, and you can take as many of the free ones as you want. But she said, I'm entitled to take this pen. Ugh, I just wanted to smack this woman upside the head. I told her again, no, you cannot have it. I turned to put her check into my register, and she flipping walked off with my damn pen. I told my boss lady what happened, and the boss lady is writing the customer a letter saying that she's banned from the store until she returns the pen back to us. Oh no, lady. If you spend $100 at an establishment, you spent $100. You don't get to decide what you're entitled to because you spent a certain amount. That's not how things work. She probably takes all the sugar packets from the tables at the restaurants too, guys. Background. So I work in a supermarket. I've been there nearly 7 years, and I've run out of any cares I previously had when I began. Today was